When data flows freely and securely, teams move faster. But today, data is scattered across servers, devices, and clouds, and there's more of it than ever before. GoodSync brings these systems together to give you a secure, efficient way to move data on your schedule for whatever purpose your team needs. So, how does this work exactly? Let's say I want to replicate data from a NAS to OneDrive so my remote team members can access information in the cloud. I'll start by creating a job in the GoodSync application. I can choose between one-way and two-way sync. Then I'll choose a source and destination. GoodSync provides an end-to-end encrypted connection between all my devices, so I can look right into my NAS and find the source folder I want. We work with all major cloud providers and have already authenticated to OneDrive. I'll have GoodSync create a new folder for my destination, then click Apply. I want OneDrive to update automatically whenever files are added, deleted, or modified on the NAS, so I'll click Auto and select On File Change. Jobs can also run on a timer or a schedule of your choosing. Clicking Analyze will compare both sides and list all the changes to be made. We can see that all the files from the NAS will be copied to OneDrive, since the OneDrive folder is currently empty. Now the job will run. Once complete, we can see that the two folders match. Now let's test the automation. I'll add this new document to the source folder on the NAS. As soon as the change is reported, GoodSync begins a countdown to run the job. This timer creates a buffer in case multiple changes are happening back to back, and the duration can be customized. As you'll see, everything kicks off automatically, and the new file has been copied over seamlessly. That's one job running on one machine, but what if I have hundreds or even thousands of devices that need to send and receive data? That's where the Control Center comes in. The Control Center manages all your GoodSync instances from a single cloud-based dashboard. This allows you to run jobs at scale, monitor their execution in real time, and audit activity through logs and reports. Whether you're automating backups of employee machines or distributing assets organization-wide, GoodSync does the heavy lifting for you. Visit GoodSync.com to learn more, and thanks for watching.